Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to record vouchers for reverse charge mechanism or RCM purchases. When you buy an RCM item from a seller or an unregistered dealer, you need to pay GST to the department. Thereafter, you can avail the input tax credit against the vouchers. If you follow the system of recording journal vouchers to raise the tax liability, then you will get to know how to do so. Moreover, if you have returned goods or cancelled a service order, then you can record a debit note for purchase returns too. Apart from that, when you import services, you need to pay GST for the transaction under RCM. This video will take you through the entire process of recording vouchers under RCM. Let's first see how to set up a stock item or service ledger for reverse charge mechanism. Press Alt-G. Alter Master. Stock item. Type or select the name of stock item and press Enter. Press F12 and set Enable Reverse Charge Calculation to Yes. Set Eligible for Input Tax Credit to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. In the stock item alteration screen, set Applicable for Reverse Charge to Yes. Set Eligible for Input Tax Credit to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the stock item. Similarly, you can set up other stock items for RCM. You can then use the stock items during voucher creation. Similarly, you can alter the service ledger for reverse charge mechanism. Press Alt-G. Alter Master. Ledger. Type or select the name of ledger and press Enter. Press F12 and set Enable Reverse Charge Calculation to Yes. Set Eligible for Input Tax Credit to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. In the ledger alteration screen, set Applicable for Reverse Charge to Yes. Set Eligible for Input Tax Credit to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the ledger. Similarly, you can set up other service ledgers for RCM. You can then use the ledger during voucher creation. Now, let's see how to record a voucher for the purchase of RCM goods. Press Alt-G. Create voucher. And press F9 for purchase. Press F2 and change the voucher date if needed. Enter the supplier invoice number. Select the party and purchase ledger. Select the stock item and enter the quantity and rate. The amount gets calculated. Press Alt-A to view GST tax analysis. As you can see in the note, the amount of tax is subjected to reverse charge. Press Escape. Enter other necessary details and press Ctrl A to save the voucher. Let's view the voucher in GSTR 3B. Press Alt-G. Type or select GSTR 3B and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period. Enter the from and to dates and press Enter. Let's drill down from 3.1 Tax on Outward and Reverse Charge Inward Supplies. Let's drill down further from 3.1D Inward Supplies applicable for reverse charge. You can view the purchase voucher here. Similarly, you can record a voucher for the purchase of an RCM service. You need to use the service ledger you created for an RCM service during voucher creation. Moreover, RCM item or service purchased from an unregistered dealer is subjected to reverse charge. You can easily record purchases from an unregistered dealer the way you record vouchers for an RCM purchase. As per your business practices, you might want to calculate tax manually and raise the tax liability using journal voucher. Let's see how to do it. Press Alt-G, create voucher, and press F7 for journal vouchers. Press F2 and change the voucher date if needed. Press Alt-J to open the Stat Adjustment Details screen. Under Type of Duty or Tax, select GST. Under Nature of Adjustment, select Increase in Tax Liability and Input Tax Credit. Select Purchase under Reverse Charge from Registered Dealer under Additional Nature of Adjustment. If the purchase of goods was from an unregistered dealer, then select Purchase under Reverse Charge from Unregistered Dealer. Now, under Buy or Debit, select the applicable tax ledger, for example, CGST. Enter the rate and the taxable value. Enter the amount of tax manually calculated by you. Similarly, select SGST and enter rate and taxable value. Under To or Credit, select the same tax ledger. Enter the rate and the taxable value. Now, set Provide GST Details to Yes. In the Party Details screen, select the party name and the place of supply. Enter the other necessary details and press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. Let's view the voucher in GSTR 3B. Press Alt-G. Type or select GSTR 3B and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period. Enter the from and to dates and press Enter. Let's drill down from Included in Return. Let's drill down further from Other Adjustments. As you can see, the journal voucher and the tax amount appear here. As a result, the purchase vouchers against the tax amount are moved to the Not Relevant for this return section. Similarly, you can raise tax liability for the purchase of RCM services using journal vouchers. Now, let's see how to record debit note for purchase returns of RCM goods or services. In case you need to return the purchased goods, let's say, for the quality issues and services for reasons like postponement of a project, you can use a debit note to record the purchase return. Press Alt-G, create voucher, and press Alt-F5 for debit note. Press F2 and change the voucher date if needed. Select the party and ledger account. Select the stock item you are returning to the seller. Enter the quantity and rate. The amount gets calculated. Select the appropriate reason for issuing note. Enter the supplier's credit note number and date. Press Alt-A to view GST tax analysis. As you can see in the note, the amount of tax is subjected to reverse charge. Press Escape. In the Billwise Details screen, select Against Reference. Select the purchase voucher number against which you are creating the debit note. Press Ctrl A to save the billwise details. Enter other necessary details and press Ctrl A to save. Let's view the voucher in GSTR 3B. Press Alt G. Type or select GSTR 3B and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period. Enter the from and to dates and press Enter. Let's drill down from included in return. Under Purchase Returns, you can view the voucher. As per your business practices, you can choose to record journal voucher to raise the tax liability. Rest assured that GSTR 3B will display the journal voucher instead of the debit note. The import of any services from any country to India attracts reverse charge. Now, let's see how to record import of services. Press Alt G, create voucher, and press F9. Press Ctrl H, accounting invoice, and press Enter. Press F2 and change the voucher date if needed. Enter supplier invoice number and date. Select the party. In the party details screen, you can see that the party belongs to another country. Under Particulars, select the service and enter the amount. Press Alt A to view GST tax analysis. As you can see in the note, the amount of tax is subjected to reverse charge. Press Escape. Enter other necessary details and press Ctrl A to save the voucher. Let's view the voucher in GSTR 3B. Press Alt G, type or select GSTR 3B, and press Enter. Let's drill down from 4A, Input Tax Credit Available. Let's drill down further from Import of Services. You can view the purchase voucher here. As per your business practices, you can also choose to record journal voucher to raise the tax liability. Rest assured that GSTR 3B will display the journal voucher instead of the purchase voucher. In your business, if you are selling RCM items, then similar to the purchase voucher, you can also record a sales voucher for the sale of RCM goods. You do not need to add the tax ledgers while recording the voucher. As you saw, Teleprime provides you with the facility to record vouchers for the purchase and sales of RCM goods and services. Moreover, it also has the flexibility that enables you to raise the liability using journal vouchers based on your business practices. You can also handle purchase returns with debit note. Thank you. On any screen in Teleprime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.